Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to see liked photos on Pinterest. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up Pinterest. It should be on your mobile device or your computer. Okay. Now, let's say, for example, I'm going to click on one photo right here, maybe this one. I'm going to click on it. You can go ahead and react to it or like it. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in some more just for you to see. Maybe this one right here. Like. And then once that's done, finally, to find your liked photos, just go ahead over to the settings section. Okay. And here you're going to find an option, refine your recommendation. Okay. Before it was called maybe your home feed. Okay. Change your home feed. But now it's different. Refine your recommendation. So just click on it. If it doesn't load up your liked photos, you can just go ahead and refresh the browser, okay, or your phone. And as you can see, it's all in here. Okay, that is it. It will filter the date as well. As you can see here from 2 years ago, I have here the liked photos, and 5 years ago as well. And that's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.